some trouble going on in my family right now. My mama said to me last week, she said, James, I don't know how I got this sick. I never thought these things would happen to me the way it did. But she said, some things I tell you because I don't tell you everything because I don't want you to worry. Because I ain't worried. I told her, I said, Mama, because you taught me to pray. And because I had a praying mama like you did. Because I had a praying mama like you did. The prayers of the righteous avail much. I'm going somewhere, y'all, because this next song, I need to hear this song because I know what nobody but Jesus' angels watching over me. Yes.